Hey, what's up? Just showing you my what I got out of my box of TNA knockouts. Box number 1196 of 3600. Got one of the cards that's on the outside. Yeah, put that back there. The only thing I didn't like right off the bat is you can, since there's only 4 cards a pack with 18 packs, there's no way you can get a complete set in one box. But yeah, here we go. Angel in Love, Awesome Kong, the Governor, Jenna Maraska, Madison Rain, ODB. One good thing is I got every single Angel in Love card, which is definitely a plus because she's my favorite one there. Roxy, Charmel, Sojo, Taylor, Tracy. I think I got every Tracy Brooks too. I'm only missing one Velvet Sky. It's funny, almost all the ones I'm missing are like all the black girls. Like Sojo and Jacqueline and stuff. Beautiful People. Angelina. Lauren. ODB. Roxy. Charmel. SoCal. Taylor. Tracy Brooks. Boobies. Angelina. Jacqueline. Lauren. Handprints. Raisha. Tracy. Raka. She's another one I missed a lot of. Roxy. Charmel. SoCal. Taylor. Velvet. Jacqueline. These cards are kind of dumb. Furry friends, them with their pets and shit. I think out of the entire set I believe I got 66 out of 90. In the whole set there's actually, and these ones are a little pedo-ish too, when they were little kids and stuff. Freaking Awesome Kong, Karma, as a teenager. There's the extras, the revealed you can get that are like 91 to 104. You can't get those in these boxes. So I need all those and then the like 27 extras or something. Christy, Dixie Carter, Roxy. She looked cool when she was like Chick Boogeyman. ODB, Taylor, Tracy, Velvet, Angelina. These ones are cool. If you pull one of these, you get an autograph with them and then whoever's up in the corner. Jacqueline and Storm, Jenna and Bully Ray, Lauren and Sabin, ODB and Rhino, Raisha and Shelly, Cornette and Roxy, Charmel and Tanae, Val and Creed, Sojo and Don West, Tracy and Sting, and then the checklist. And then my hits I got out of this box. I got my 2 autos, 1 relic and 1 parallel. The only thing that could have been different is I could have got an autograph card instead of a kiss card instead of a second autograph, but I got the 2 autographs like I figured. My insert was numbered to 40, was the Charmel. It's a little different because there's no foil on the front. It's like a matte finish, and then there's the silver. So you can tell the difference when you're coming through them. My relic was Taylor Wilde, and you can sort of see right there. Crap, I'm trying to get it. Anyways, it's one color, but there's a string going through it. And I think that's out of 175 or 199. My autographs were Tracy Brooks and Christy Hemme. Round box. But yeah, Nothing super special. All stuff I needed, all people I like, or I, people I wouldn't be able to get for like $2, like Jacqueline or something. Decent box, just wish you could get a whole set out of it. If they would have put 6 cards in the pack, probably would have done it. That's that. If you got any for trade on the base set, let me know. That's that. Later.